Yo, 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 yo. What they do, man? This is your boy DEEentrepreneur, man. D-E-E. Y'all already know the name. Hey, first of all, I just want to say, like this video, and y'all tap that notification bell, man, as it's important for the YouTube algorithm as I continue dropping this content for y'all, man. Dropping this dope trucking, real experience content. So, hey, man, what y'all think about what's going on out here, man? What y'all think about what's going on out here with this trucking and with this freight, with these rates and these gas prices? Gas prices. Damn. Whew. Hey, are y'all tired? Y'all ready to quit trucking? Are y'all ready to quit trucking? Are y'all ready to give it up? You ready to throw it in the bag? You ready to call it quits? Man, these gas prices making a lot of these truckers out here reevaluate what they got going on, right? Make you want to reconsider what you're doing, right? Might make you think you got into the wrong industry, right? Well, I just want to say, man, if you already in the industry, man, just keep on trucking. Just keep on trucking. Because look, it's going to be hard for a little bit, man. It's going to be hard for a little bit. And I tell you what, for all the truckers out there that overcome this and make it through this right here, through this little trucker's triumph, this worldwide triumph that's going on, you make it through this right here, you weather this storm. Hey, you can weather anything, man. You can weather anything, man. Take it from your boy DEEentrepreneur. Take it from me. Listen, I seen this happen before back in 2008. Back in 2008, I seen this happen before, but I wasn't an owner-operator back then. I only had my CDL for about a year when I seen this happen, and I seen a lot of companies fall. I seen a lot of truckers fall, and I just thank God that I was going through my learning phase. I was going through my learning process back then. Why? Because I know I'm not going to fold now. So I don't want you to fold now. Now, but I'm gonna tell you what's key and what's golden right now. Look, you need to be thinking about high-paying short hauls. You need to be thinking about high-paying short hauls. If you're an owner-operator out there right now, that over the road, I mean, it's money, depending on what you hauling and stuff like that. But for the majority, man, it's killing. It's killing small owner-operators. It's killing small companies. Man, I'm seeing people go out left and right now, already. Going out left and right. Look into them short hauls, paying good money. Now, the thing is, everybody is fighting on the same platforms. A lot of people, a lot of small companies fighting on the same platforms. They fighting on the DAT load board. They fighting on truck stop load board. They fighting with these Amazon loads. They fighting with what JB Hunt got going on with these 360 logistics and all that. And not to even say that everybody is fighting, but let's just be honest. A lot of those rates ain't hitting on nothing, especially with these gas prices. Maybe last year these rates was looking A1 compared to what the gas prices are now, because the rates was about the same, but the gas prices weren't. So you was able to get more net profit to the pocket. See, a lot of people right now are running loads for the same rates they were last year. I'm not necessarily saying it's your fault. You know, it could be the brokers and stuff that you're dealing with, whoever that you're getting your loads through or whatever. they might not have adjusted to the economy yet. You know, the gas prices, as we know, everybody know, is at an all-time high. We done broke all-time records from when the gas prices went up years back. A lot of y'all might not know that, but to the veterans out there that's been trucking for a long time, y'all remember when these gas prices shot up before. And man, we just broke records this year. So with that being said, a lot of you owner operators out there, it's tough. It's tough. I know it's tough. Now, like I've been saying, if you've been watching my videos before, I got a video that I dropped last year, how to get on directly with shippers. If you haven't seen that video yet, I suggest you go watch it. I suggest you go check it out, and I suggest you take notes. Now, is it too late to get on with a shipper? No, it's never too late. It's never too late to get directly on and get contracted directly with a shipper. But I've been telling y'all, before these gas prices shot up, to try to find freight directly and cut out the middleman. I saw this coming. Already. You know, if you've been in this industry, just business period, but if you just looking at the economy and what's been going on due to COVID and all of that stuff, everything spiked up. It's a trickle-down effect. It's a trickle-down effect to everything now, like your food, the gas, your rent, housing, your insurance rates, everything. And then it's a trickle-down effect. So I was telling people last year, if you was able to start investing and buying your equipment, start getting in, because prices were going to go up through the roof, as y'all seen. When I was buying equipment and documenting it, to those that was following and was following suit, shout out to y'all, because right now you could just coast through this BS that's going on that we cannot control. So do yourself a favor and stop complaining about it, please. It's hard out here for everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's hard out here for everybody. It really is. But you complaining is not going to get you anywhere. So you have to adjust. You're either going to adjust or you're going to get out the business. And if you're not in the trucking industry yet and you're watching this video, you might want to hold off. You might want to hold off right now and let the prices go down on everything. Let the prices go down on everything. Unless you're just walking around with a bag and you're just walking around with 100,000 chilling, sitting, 200,000 chilling, sitting. Other than that, I advise you to just chill right now. And if you're in the industry right now, and if you haven't found your way through these high inflated prices that's going on right now, it's going to be a little difficult. It's not going to be easy. But what I do suggest is continuing to lock in with some guaranteed freight. Because fighting on them low boards right now, you still got people out here running for pennies. They ain't making no money. Truck just running for gas. Man, what? No, this has to be a nationwide mandate. Y'all stop doing that. I've been telling y'all, stop running for chump change. Don't do it. Come on now. That's how the trickle-down effect will get to the brokers. Not even the brokers. You can't even always be mad at the brokers. A lot of the shippers have to adjust to the rates. And if they still have brokers that's moving these loads at the rates that it was and that it still is for the majority under the gas prices and under the inflation rates right now, then those shippers are still going to move those loads at those rates. So until these shippers adjust the rates, then you will see brokers adjust the rates and go up some. You already seen some brokers and shippers have already adjusted and went up, but some haven't. And some of these brokers out here are still cutthroat, meaning some of the shippers have went up on the rates, but the brokers haven't. So that's still leaving the carriers with less money, and they're not profiting. So do your company due diligence. Do yourself a favor and do your company a favor. And don't run no cheap freight. Like, I know it's hard, like, because everybody, you got to run something. You got to run something. And you're thinking like, man, if I don't run nothing, I'm not going to make any money. Listen, there will be some freight out there that you can run. And there will be a broker or somebody that will give you a decent rate and give you what you deserve on that load. You just got to ask for it, and you got to fight for it, and you got to show that you're worthy of doing it for those rates. So you can't be no little, unreliable company out here. Your face card got to be good. So when you come and talking your stuff and you upping those rates, these brokers and these shippers can't do nothing but respect it. They gonna have to put some respect on your name, for real. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like and comment on that, for real. But yeah, man. I'm just sitting right here at Dollar General Distribution right now in Jackson, Georgia. I picked up my loaded trailer from McDonough, Georgia, and brought it to Jackson, Georgia. I'm a little early for check-in, which is cool. I like to be early. And this load paid $833 for 15 miles. $833 for 15 miles. Now, you remember what I said in the beginning of the video. Try to find short hauls that's paying good money. You know what I'm saying? This is not the best paying I've ever got. I used to get more money for this load, but I had to take a little less on the rate because I'm fully contracted, and I fulfill more loads now. So I went down on my rates with them a little bit because I'm actually running more freight. So I picked up more volume. So I went down on the rates a little bit. $833 for 15 miles, man. I think if you divide that, that's like $55 a mile. $55 a mile. Now, I can afford to run loads like this. I don't have any truck payments. You see, I got a trailer. Y'all probably can't even see, but you see, I got my trailer and everything right here. Everything is paid for. Everything's paid for cash. So I'm not spending extra money. So paying attention and managing your bills is very important right now during this crisis that we're going through. So managing and with your bills is definitely important. Your truck bills, your in-house bills, everything is definitely important right now to the max. Not to say that it hasn't been before, because I've always been big on management, money management, and paying attention to your expenses and stuff coming in. I mean, going out and to what you have coming in. I like to keep my expenses low as possible. That's going to be super important right now. If you got truck payments and you doing trailer leasing and all that stuff, It's going to be tough right now, but stay strong, hold on, you know, and just keep on trucking, man. And if you make it through this right here, you're going to be good, and you can make it through anything. Hey, everybody that's continued to get it out the mud, hey, shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to my mud family, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, man, to this video, man. This is your boy, DEEentrepreneur. Y'all make sure y'all go check out my website, runafleet.com, man, if you want to learn some dispatching, if you want to learn how to run a fleet, run multiple trucks, if you're an owner-operator trying to run a company and start up, I can assist you with that as well. Also, check out my Facebook group, Black Trucker Excellence, to network with other truckers, dispatchers, fleet owners, diesel mechanics, freight agents, brokers, and everything that's in that group. Also, check out my merch, shopmud.com. You can check out some of my merch and get some of my merch. Also, anybody that needs assistance with marketing and also need assistance with website design, also need assistance with YouTube editing, man, y'all hit me up. Let me know. Hey, I will put you on with my team, and hey, you can do that. I think that's all I got for you, man, right now, man. Also, man, go follow me on Instagram at DEEentrepreneur, man. And this is your boy, DEEentrepreneur, and we are signing out. Everybody keep on trucking, man. Y'all be blessed, and I'm gone.
I'm a money machine, I'm a money machine, I'm a money machine.